Hey guys, so today I'm here with a quick review and demo of the new Sephora Favorites #Selfie kit. So this is a $34 kit from Sephora, a variety of sample size products and one full size. And I was really excited when I spotted this at my local Sephora. I went into Sephora just expecting to go in and get a brow wiz, run right back out. But then I spotted the last one of these up by the cash and I couldn't resist because I seen it online and I thought that it was such a cute kit. So this comes with a couple of complexion products, a couple of eye products, and a lip product. And here they are. And what caught my eye the most about this is it came with a couple of brands that I haven't had the opportunity to try. And then plus it came with a staple product that a lot of people talk about that I haven't tried yet either. So this kit comes with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick in a mini size. This is one of those products that I've been wanting to try. I've heard so many people talk about this and I almost picked up the full size before Christmas because they had it at my local Sephora, and one day I went back to pick it up and it wasn't there, and I've regretted it ever since because I swatched on my hand and my hand looked amazing. Like I was like, my hand has never looked this flawless. Then it comes with the Stellar Glow powder. So this is like one of the Hourglass setting powders, but it's a loose powder, so it has a little bit of luminescence in it. P.S. I'm wearing everything that comes in this kit on my face today, and I'm also going to show you guys a demo of how I used it all. Then it comes with BECCA Opal, which is like one of those OG products that everyone has. I can tell you guys right off the bat, I'm loving this on my skin tone. It's so great for pale skin. It blends in seamlessly and it's so pigmented. It's one of those amazing BAM highlighters, but oh my gosh, I love the look that this is giving. Then it comes with the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara, which a lot of people talk about. I don't know why I held this right here in front of my face, but a lot of people love this. The brush is very similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but the formula is not as thick, so it doesn't leave your lashes looking as plump as the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And then it comes with a full size of the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. So on one side here you have a pencil liner, which I actually didn't try out the pencil liner today, but here's a swatch. So it's very pigmented, but I don't normally use kohl liner, so I usually skip, but it does come with the liquid liner. And there is a swatch of the liquid liner. The tip of this is much wider than what I'm normally used to. So normally I use the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and that lets me have a very thin line. This was a little bit trickier for me to use, but the formula is very pigmented. And then last but not least, it came with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. And I'm wearing that right now. The color came off, for some reason I wasn't expecting it to be this corally. A lot of people love this shade. I do really like it, and I think it's gonna be a nice one to have in my collection, but the formula of this just feels so drying. Like as soon as I'm done this video, I'm definitely gonna take it off because it just feels so dry on my lips right now. I'm having a hard time talking. But I do like the way it makes my teeth look really white, so there's that. So yeah, this kit is $34. And it does come with a full-size liquid liner, but that wasn't my selling point for this kit. So what got me really excited for these were these 4 products. This Stellar powder is super finely milled. I think it did a wonderful job of setting my makeup in place. And I thought it was gonna be a little bit too dark for me because the shade is a little bit deeper than my skin tone, but I patted it on lightly with a powder brush. So I didn't get a whole lot of the color, but it did set my makeup really well. So like this a lot. I'm super curious about this brand now. I haven't heard much about it and I haven't seen many other products going around on YouTube. And then this Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I already knew that I wanted the full size, but I feel like I'm gonna go through this pretty quickly, and I think I'm gonna end up getting the full size because it just goes on flawlessly. It blurs out any imperfections. It has a little bit of coverage, which is interesting for a primer. It smoothed out my smile lines and any lines that I had on my forehead. I was starting to get out of control a little bit because I was just like, more, make it all go away. So yeah, overall, I think this kit is an awesome value and I would highly recommend going out and picking one up. You get a little bit of everything to try, some new complexion products, some new eye products, and then a lip product. And I really like the way that my look turned out today using this kit. So yeah, I think it's super cool. And now I'm gonna get on into the demo. So I hope you guys enjoyed that demo. This has been my review of the new Sephora Favorites hashtag selfie kit. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are planning on picking this up or if you spotted it at your local Sephora. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at makingupashlee, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Bye!